So first things first, what you want to do is click on edit profile. And then from here, as you can see under your username, it says I am really fat, and that is my username. So just simply click on that. And then it says that your username can be changed once every 30 days. You can change it again after March 1st, 2023. So if you want to change your username and you don't want to wait the 30 days, what you can do is head over to the 3 lines on the top right corner. And then you can hit on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down and then click on report a problem. And from here, you want to click on account and profile. And then now you want to click on manage account. And then you just click on any one of these. Let's just say we want to change our password, even though we don't want to change our password. Basically, you just want to get to this page, and then you want to click on no, need more help. So now you're going to get logged into a TukTalk page where you can personally tell them what your problem is. So basically say something like this. Basically just make up a random excuse and basically click on submit.